Now I'd like to go through some examples of Black women's hair in media that went wrong. These are like my absolute worst nightmare situations. First stop on the Foolishness Express is a segment from the Today Show demonstrating summer hairstyles that can be done in 60 seconds. Yeah, sounds like a bad idea from the get-go. The stylist attempted a side ponytail with a curly bang. Number 1, how can you do a side ponytail on hair that short? Number 2, the bang was horrible. The whole thing is a mess. Her hair looked 10 times better before than it did after. There's a link to the full Today Show segment in the description below. The model Malia handled the situation with dignity and grace. An interview from BET with her reaction is also linked below. Next crime of fashion, is this supposed to be a fishtail braid? This is from Victoria's Secret, or the teeny bopper version of Victoria's Secret, or the teeny bopper version of American Eagle. Whoever did this, if you're watching, you got it wrong. Can you believe somebody got paid to do this style? This is how I would come home from school. She looks like she's been playing in the sandbox all day, or like she overslept and snuck out the house and onto the school bus without combing her hair. Did she take a nap on her lunch break? I would not buy that swimsuit in case the curse of ugly hairstyles came with it. It's a no. Chile. What happened here? This ad popped up on Instagram one day when I was scrolling. I was so appalled that I did a poll in an Instagram story. As you can see, only 50% saw the problem. I probably noticed because I have the same hair type. What happened though? She has 2 types of hair going on in this photo. The tighter curl on the top seems to be hers. Did she put on a half wig for extra length? Or did someone add Photoshop weave? They obviously thought nobody would notice. Did they not think it was dumb looking though? This is a hair travesty. Like the last image, this looks like another stock photo. The pay for these kinds of gigs is low. The real payoff is usually great photos. There may or may not be hair and makeup on set. Also, like the last image, think this ad was used to advertise for a college. Why do they have girlfriend looking like a black pineapple? Tuck those ends into a bun or something. Let's talk about why this hairstyle is especially heinous. This image is used by the company Printful for their print-on-demand t-shirts. You can create a t-shirt design, upload it to Printful, and they will print your orders piece by piece as they're ordered. To advertise your new design, you can use Printful's mock-ups so your customers can see your products on a real person. This image is all over the internet selling t-shirts. This looks like a bad wig, and I could overlook that if it weren't longer on one side than the other. On top of that, the image from the Facebook ad on the left seems to have added some extra Photoshop on the right shoulder. They took bad and made it worse. For an image with such wide distribution, you would think Printful would spend a little extra time polishing this image before they offer it to their customers. Printful, I'm ashamed of you. I loves me some J. Crew. They have cornered the market on peacoats and pencil skirts. I really thought I was doing something when I started shopping there and at Banana Republic on the clearance rack. Meet Mary Henny Rivera, owner of this bangin' body and J-screwed hairdo. Mary Henny is a beautiful Afro-Dominican model. She is newly married and expecting a baby. Congratulations, mamacita! Now back to the madness of this ponytail. Shame, shame, shame. Not too bad from the front. When you look at it at the side, the gel hits the hair dryer. And that must have been the only gel they had, because they didn't put any in Sis's hair. No gel? Don't want to use gel? That's fine. Don't try to put a short afro in a ponytail then. This was the adults. Next time we'll talk about kids. All right, until next time. See ya.